Good day everyone, welcome to today's class. In today's class we'll be talking on how to create whiteboard animation. Yes, whiteboard animation. I think I've already give you the theory aspect, so this is the practical aspects now. I've already tell you what whiteboard animation is used for and how to, and what the importance of it. So let's go straight to the class. So the software we are going to be using in creating this whiteboard animation is called Benime. See, it's called Benime. This app coming, this app Benime. You can just go to your Google Chrome, to your Play Store rather. Just search it. And for those of you using iPhone, I'm not sure, maybe they have made it available, but I'm not sure yet, but it's not available on iPhone. But for the iPhone users, I've already packaged another class for you that will replace this one, because I'm not sure if this particular software is available on iPhone for now. So for the Android user, let's go. So that is the app Benime. Just go ahead and download this. Once you have it, you're good to go. So that's the app. Let's go straight. So let's click on it. This is how the app look like. So when you click on this, this is how it will display for you. So you now click on this plus down here. You click on it. Tell me you want to create another. So once you click on it, you see what it tells you that name your animation. That is, give your animation a name. Like let's say Info products. Yes, products, Info products. And mind you, there is something that you will like. Now there should not be space there. Imagine me write info now and I give it space like this. You will see what it will tell me. Tell me that project name should not contain space. That is, you don't have to give your project space. So you understand what I just did now? And again, don't go for, before you still move further, depend on the platform you are creating for. Like now, you see this format. You see this format now. What is here is this YouTube. We are creating for YouTube. But in another case, maybe probably you want to create for another thing. Just click on here and come and select the format. Now I think I've told you in the first class that we call this thing aspect ratio. So, and every social media platform, they have their own aspect ratio. So just come here and choose the one that's best suit of what you are doing. So let's go back. Now click here, click on create. This create. Just calm down and watch this video. Pay attention to the details of it. That's the only way you can grab something here. So let's go create project. So this is it. This is the interface. This is how Benime look like. And you see this watermark. You know, I used to tell you that no matter how, there's no how you'll be creating a video, editing a video, and you have watermark. It's not good at all. You have to make your software, the software you are using, you have to make it like, you have to hide. You don't have to tell anyone that this is the software you use to create. And that's what they call professional work. Leaving watermark like this is unprofessional. So, and how do we go about this thing? You see this thing now? Come here. You see this sign? Just click on that sign. Just click on that sign to bring out something. You know, see, it says remove watermark. You see watch ad. The watch ad have not beep up. It's telling me that remove permanently. That's really remove permanently. You have to pay for it. but you have to hold on a bit. Hold on. You will see that this watch ad, you will see that it will pop up now. It will give me something like this. Like you see this purple color. It will bring out, it will pop out as this watch ad as well. Just wait, let's hold on small. Just hold on small. Let's hold on. Because that's the only way you can remove it. You see, this is what I'm saying. Can you see now? If you pay attention to what I just said now, you will understand it. Can you see watch ad? Then click on that watch ad.
Sarah, can you lend me some money? I need to buy a new laptop to do my assignment. Why don't you try Okash? An online loan? Isn't that unsafe? Okash is different. It is licensed and supervised by CBN, and the interest is different.
I just load this volume just for you to hear what I'm saying. You will leave this ad. Allow this ad to load finish. Yes, it's too hard that they will play. Just allow them to play it. Allow them to the ad to display finish before you do anything. So once this ad finish like this, the watermark will remove automatically. Then you can continue your work. So that is that. Probably pop up something like this. Just press cancel here. This place, cancel that one. That's the first ad. That one I finished. Just cancel it. Then allow the second ad to load. Don't rush. Just calm yourself down. You don't have to rush. Don't have to rush. You don't have to rush. Should I think by now the ad should have done? Come on, let's go. So once the ad done, you will see this sign here now. You see it pop up something like this. Now go ahead and delete and click on it. So can you see now? Can you see now? I believe everyone that is watching this understand what I just did. So that is that about that. So this is whiteboard animation. This is the interface. This is how to be using it. You see, so let me start by introducing you to the interface. You see, we have stickers here. We have stickers here. We have text. We have BG. Sorry. We have, yes, we have sticker, we have text, we have BG, we have and we have music. So these are the things you'll be using in creating your whiteboard animation. And you see this plus icon. This plus icon, this is the one you will be using it to add. When you click on it, it will add for you another page. This is the first page. This is the first page. You see, this is the first page as you are seeing it here. And if you want to add another page, you will click on that this plus button. That's where you will add another page. Let me try it. You see, you've already had another page. So let's go to the first page. Let's delete this one first. I'm not start using this now. So that is that. And the stickers, this sticker, where you see sticker, this is where you'll be adding your image. Any image you want to place on this is where you will be adding it. Don't be confused. This sticker is where you'll be clicking and add your image. If I click on this now, let me click on it so that you know. Image, you see now, say add image. Just add image. Click on this add image, this one. So once you click on it, you go ahead and search for your image. You've already have your image. You must have already have your image, the image you want to use on your whiteboard. You must have it. So this is it. Then you go ahead and click it, but you have not start. You come back later. So the next thing is text. You write your text, the text you want, you write it, then you start it, then you size it. That's meant for text. You have not started using it. The background, this thing you see that you call BJ, PG is called background. It's called background. This one, background. If you want to change, you feel like change your background to any color, just click on it. Once you click on it, it will give you two options. Select image. If it is image you want to put as your background, you can put it as image, or if it is color, come here and change the color. Let me choose blue. Let me choose blue for instance. Now you see, now I've changed the color. So, but I prefer white. White is more preferable for me. Is this even white? So white is, I think I prefer, I like white. I think this is white. Yes, this is the hand. This is where you choose hand. You know, we call it animation. This is the one that will be drawing whatever you place on your work. Anything, all the image you input on your work, this is the hand. Any hand you choose here will be drawing it. It will just look as if the hand is writing it, even if it is text. So this is the, you come here and pick anyone you want. Just pick any hand that you want here. And this is music. This music is meant for me. Probably you have a voiceover for your this thing, for your work, or you want to add your background music. So this is where you come. You see, music, record, TTS, edit, volume, delete. So this is where you will come and select your this thing. So I think I've explained to you how to use the interface now. So let's go straight to the work. So if you are paying attention to my video very well, you know I used to tell you that whenever you are editing video, most especially video that has to do with scripts, you have to make sure you have your scripts out ready, and make sure you have everything you are going to be using in your video ready. Not that you will just start, you want to start editing, you just go straight to the software, so and now start looking for what to do and how to know. You have to get your materials ready. Everything you are going to be using need in that video, get it ready, both your script and everything. So the script you are going to be using for this video has already been drafted, and I will tell you step by step on how I get the scripts. So let's go. Please pay attention to this very well. So this is me coming to ChatGPT. I tell ChatGPT, give me a professional, see this thing now, see this, give me a professional art prompt to use in creating my whiteboard animation for the Invo Media Enterprise. Give me a professional art prompt to use in creating my whiteboard animation for the brand name you are creating for. Just put it there, just like that. So once you put it there like that, ChatGPT will understand and will give you prompts. But make sure you read the prompt very well. If you are not okay with it, like this is what ChatGPT drafted for me, whiteboard animation and prompt. So when I read it, I was like, this is too much. And you know you are creating for whiteboard animation, so you're at least, this thing shouldn't be more than at least 30 seconds is okay. So I tell ChatGPT to shorten it to 39 seconds but see what he gave me. So I'm not still okay. I'm not cool with what he gave me. I still tell him to make it 30 seconds. So this is the 30 seconds of it. Pay attention to what I'm saying. 30 seconds of it, of the ad. So I've had the 30 seconds of the ad now, but I still need some adjustments because I've already go through the scripts and I'm not cool with it again. I still need some adjustments. So I now tell ChatGPT to convert it to ready to record voice over scripts. I don't know, maybe you understand. Convert it to ready to record voice over scripts. That is, that script, I want it in a voiceover script because I need a voiceover for my video. So, and this is it. This is it. Can you see? 30 seconds voiceover script, the Invo Media Enterprise. Are you struggling to get attention for your business online? Poor filler and boring content can slow your growth. So this is the script. This is the voiceover now. I'm already out the voiceover. This voiceover and this thing that I generate for me now, I can go ahead and turn it to voiceover, which I will be using for my video. So that is that about that. Then again, I still go ahead because don't forget we want to create whiteboard animation. We'll be needing some images, and those images we call it sketch image. It's not 3D, it's sketch image. So then after everything, I now come here, I tell ChatGPT that see this slide.